Hello everyone out there, this is the Prodigy and I'm just coming with a quick video tonight. Letting you know why a lot of people fail in network marketing. People fail in network marketing because they don't know what to do. People fail in network marketing because their company isn't good, or because they lose focus, or they just don't know how to close sales. On top of that, they don't know how to drive traffic. So guys, number one reason why people fail, they don't know how to drive traffic, or they don't have a good company. On top of that, they don't know how to drive leads, because without leads you're not successful. And that's exactly what we're doing in email processing 3.0. With our autopilot software, is driving the leads and we're closing the sales for you. So it's basically put on autopilot. Guys, I'm not going to take up most of your time tonight. I just wanted to let you know why you're probably failing, and you're watching this video and searching on how to succeed. So guys, if you're looking to make a potential guaranteed $200 to $500 a day, give me a call now at 239-362-6591, and I can actually guarantee that type of success. Like I said, guys, we're generating the leads for you in our advanced level, and we're closing the sales for you. What more do you need in this industry? Guys, if you have any questions, like I said, give me a call at 239-362-6591, and I'll be happy to answer those questions. Everyone, have a blessed night. May God be with you, and I will talk to you in my next video. I'm coming, Dad. Excuse me, guys. I'm actually visiting family, and kids are crying, so talk to you in my next video. God bless.